with microgrid systems becoming more and more popular, can you explain, first of all, how microgrid systems work, and then how your turbine could be key in developing these microgrid systems?
Yeah, absolutely. So a microgrid is just a form of power distribution on a smaller scale than the large utility grid that the conventional model, here in the United States and most developed parts of the world, is they have centralized power generation. So whether it's a coal fire plant, a nuclear reactor, a large scale wind farm, or a utility scale solar farm, they find an area where they cluster a whole bunch of power generation in one central location, and then they pump that power out to the users all around the country in the utility power grid. Uh, but microgrids allow you to basically have that same model, but on a smaller scale. So you could refer to our portable wind turbine as being a microgrid, or maybe more accurately, a nanogrid, a mobile nanogrid, because we generate the power, we store it in batteries in the trailer, and we deliver it from the portable unit. So we provide that whole process from our portable platform. Now, the next scale up from that would be, you could have a home that runs off of microgrid. So now you have an off-grid home, and so you collect the power from your local power generation, you flow it into the home, it runs all the services of the home. Or it could be a community, or it could be a job site, or it could be a military forward operating base. So this is just a means of taking the generated power and distributing it locally in the microgrid form. But I'm glad you brought up microgrids, because that's actually another project that we're involved with. So here, a little less than a year ago, we formed a partnership with GM Defense, General Motors Defense Division. And they have developed a STEEP microgrid. STEEP is an acronym for Stable, Tactical, Expeditionary Electric Power. And so this is a mobile microgrid that is designed to take inputs from a variety of power generation sources, and that you can take anywhere. It's got a military focus, but one of those generation systems is going to be wind energy. And Uprise, through our partnership, we are the wind supplier to the GM Defense mobile microgrid called STEEP.